Hi, and welcome to the more 5-minute St. Louis real estate market update for August 2014. If you'll give me about 5 minutes or so of your time, I'll bring you up to date on what's happening in the St. Louis real estate market. Let's jump right in with our market action index. This is a quick snapshot of the market. I show the 5 counties here that we focus on in this report, which is St. Louis County, St. Louis City, St. Charles County, Jefferson County, and Franklin County. And this just gives us a quick look to tell us whether a market is a buyer's market or a seller's market. Not going to go into a lot of detail here, but we certainly can with you. Just give us a call at the number below or go to stlre.com. We can also provide all of this data down to your neighborhood level. St. Louis County, the black line on top, you can see that it's trending downward a little bit, as is St. Charles County, represented by the green line, as well as the city of St. Louis, represented by the orange line. All 3 of those counties, though, are still up above 30, so they're up in seller's market territory, with St. Louis County being the hottest market, if you will. Jefferson County and Franklin County are down in buyer's market territory. The price per foot, median price per foot for homes in the county have stayed pretty steady for all 5 counties. All of them have trended downwards slightly, but relatively steady. Here's the list of our top 15 sellers markets in the St. Louis area. I'm not going to go through them all here, but you can see at the top of the list many of the ones we've seen the last couple of months: Glendale, Valley Park, 2 zip codes in Baldwin, Chesterfield, Grover, and now at the opposite end of the spectrum, buyers markets. While the number of buyers markets has declined, in fact, on this top 15 list, you can see the 4 at the bottom there, number 12 through 15, are actually not even buyers markets. They have a market action index of 30, which indicates a balanced market. So we're really down to 11 markets in St. Louis that are buyers markets. Most of them, if you look at the list there, are outlying areas which have not recovered as strongly as the core market. Now I'm showing several tables here. These tables show charts of various MLS activities for the current year to date, so 2014 through the end of July, and compares that same period to the prior 4 years, so to 2013, 12, 11, and 10. So it really illustrates just what's happened in the market over the last few years. The first table here with the green columns, those are the number of active listings, and you can see inventory has come way down in the last several years. And in fact, this year to date's up a little over last year. It looks like last year was probably the low period. Expired listings, the red ones. There's also fewer listings expiring without selling now, which would make sense with the number of active listings going down. Now we get into the money ones. Pending sales, the orange bars here. We can see that the pending home sales this year to date is lagging behind last year's time at the same time. However, ahead of the year before that, and certainly ahead of 2011 and 2010 this time year to date. Closed sales, the blue lines following the suit of pending home sales. We can see average list price for this year to date is pretty consistent with last year, up from the year before, and the average sold price has increased quite a bit over last year. So there's the positive note there. I'll have a little more detail on the closed deals and prices in a minute here. This is just a table that gives a little more specifics on the same information that was on those charts there. I'm not going to cover it all here. You can study it at your leisure, but you can see that for each of these, like closed sales, for example, it shows the month I'm looking at, which is July 2013 and 14, and compares them, and then also does a year to date through July 2014 compared to July 2013, and then just the prior 12 months. So 12 months ago from this period, and then also the prior 12-month period. For closed sales for all those periods, we're down. So while we're in recovery mode, it's still struggling a little bit. Same thing for pending sales. As far as available listings, we're just up a little bit on our year-to-date number. Now moving forward to the closed sales, this table shows data the same way. You can see again the closed sales are down from last year or year-to-date for the same period. You can see that the days on market, the time it's taken for the homes to sell, is improving a little bit. And most importantly, perhaps to a lot of folks, you can see the prices are increasing. The closed sales average price is up over the year-to-date this year versus year-to-date last year, so a year ago about 6.9%. And also the percentage of the list price that they're selling for, it's up to about 94%, so doing a little better. This is our 10-year look back, and the green line represents the median sales price for the last 10 years, or now and the last 10 years. Blue represents list price. We're up slightly for the 5-county area from 10 years ago. Home prices are up about 5% based upon sold prices. List prices are up a little over 6%. Okay, real quick before we go, a couple other items here. Don't forget, if you're searching for homes for sale, go to St. Louis's best home search site, stlouisrealestatesearch.com. That's stlouisrealestatesearch.com. On that site, we don't waste your time. Most of the national sites, including all the big ones, they waste your time by showing you listings that already have contracts on them and are basically off the market. Our site only shows active listings. It's updated daily. Just try to save your time. We're always here to help too at 414-6000, or you can go to stlre.com. Also, you want to know the value of your home or a home that you're looking at, go to stlouishouseprices.com. That's stlouishouseprices.com. If you're looking for open houses this weekend, go to what is St. Louis's favorite open house site, stlouisopenhouses.com, where you can find all the open houses for the upcoming weekend, as far as obtaining information, pictures, everything you want to know about them. There is a little legal disclaimer, and please remember, at More Realtors, we have several locations throughout St. Louis. We have a bunch of top-notch real estate professionals ready to help you. We're a lot more than just the place you go for your data. And remember, we don't have transaction fees or admin fees that we charge our clients. Most of the other companies, especially the larger companies and franchises, do, something you want to look into. So we give you first-class service, and we don't charge you an extra transaction fee. You have questions, would like more info, just let us know what we can do for you. Call us at 314-414-6000 or visit us at stlre.com. Thank you, and until next month, God bless you.